I hit a wall this week, a massive, concrete, 15-hour thick wall. I spent 15 hours editing a single 3-minute YouTube video for this channel. 15 hours of hunting B-roll, taking screenshots of code, and tweaking transitions. This is not a business, this is the job, and it's a job that I'm terrible at. I realized something terrifying. If I keep editing like this, building an automated AI business will fail because I'll be too busy editing videos about it to actually do it. So I did what any engineer with a hammer does. I decided to treat the problem like a nail. If editing is the bottleneck, I need to automate the editor. So I call this editor the meta editor. The goal with this is to turn a simple text file into a fully prepared folder of assets with B-roll, screenshots, titles, and thumbnail, all ready for drag and drop editing. The target? Reduce that 15-hour grind to about 3 hours. It all started well, and then the APIs fought back. Thursday night, I'm trying to wire up Google's Gemini to write the video titles, but 404, model not found. I try to switch to another model, 429, rate limited. I try OpenAI, but the model does not exist. I spent an entire night just trying to get the AI to speak. And then, the kicker? I'm wondering why my local LLM is so slow. I have a 5090 and it should be flying. Come to find out, it was running on the CPU the whole time. My $2,000 graphics card was just sitting there, napping, while my processor was getting melted. So it's now currently 4 a.m. on Sunday, and this is what I'm calling the Insomnia Session. I stopped trying to be fancy. I patched the packager to use GP2 4.0 Mini, a cheap, fast, and reliable LLM. I fixed the archivist to not just dump text, but generate beautiful HTML logs that look like hacker terminals. And then I ran the command. Phase 1. Titles generated. I spent 72 hours debugging the Wolf AI. That sounds catchy. Phase 2. The scavenger hunts down 25 stock videos from Pexels and Pixelbay. And then Phase 3. The archivist. He captures the Git history. In 60 seconds, the computer did what took me about 6 hours to do. We've always often thought that automation is about replacing humans, but I've learned that it's not. It's not about replacing humans as a whole, but it's about replacing the parts of the job that kill your soul, so you can focus on the parts that make you come alive. This week, I didn't just build a script, I brought back my future time. The meta editor is live, the Wolf pipeline is finally running, and I am finally ready to stop editing and start building again. So, we'll see you next week. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know down below what you'd like to see Dex build next.